Alright, so for this video we're going to be looking at, we don't need that actually, we need to open up, for this video we're going to be looking at C++, and I have played around a little bit with this program, so I'm going to fix it based on the criteria we've been given. And what it's asking me to do is it's asking me to say I'm learning how to program in C++, and that's awesome. So really I can just take off this here for C++, and like I said, we're not going to go into C++ any more than just this one. Just want to show you guys how this works. Make sure you have your console out that you're inserting. I'm learning how to program in C++ to the console out, that you're also inserting an inline to the console out. Everything else should be in there for you already with the IOStream and the namespace standard, the standard namespace. But make this look like this. I didn't work at all. Make this look like this, and then once you do that, right, go ahead and run your code. It should say I'm learning how to program in C++. That's awesome. Actually, I didn't see anything run on the bottom, so if you don't see anything run on the bottom, you can compile a C++ code by saying C++, and this is programming.cpp, and then you can run the program by, and I'll show this to you on the file side. This is the C++ program. That's the output from the compiler. You can run it that way. And back to the companion, I'm going to go ahead and calculate my grade again, and that's going to take some time. So in this case, it calculated my grade, and you can see it here. We have 100%. Good. So I hit the submit button, and this time it should submit with no issues. I haven't refreshed the tab on the other side, so we're going to submit that, and it should work with no issues. But we're going to go and pause this, and because it takes some time to do this job. And when it finishes, you missed it because I had the video paused, but when it finishes it says your score has been submitted, and it's pretty cool. So that's what we're looking for in the C++ code. If you are interested in how that looks, that's the code. And actually, let me show this a little better. You can see I've got COUT for console out. I'm inserting the string literal into the console out, and then I'm passing in that inline. I'm doing that twice, and it works. So this is the only C++ program you will write in the scope of this course, and you can just copy what I wrote here, and I don't mind at all. So we will see you in Python.